Tell me what you think. Hello my lovely lock minions and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And in this video, I want to try a lock bob, but I want to try it in a way that may not be the norm or conventional or what everybody's doing, but I did see a way that somebody did it that doesn't require me to use too many things. So to give you a backstory, I already washed my hair, so it feels wet and fresh and smells so good. Okay, back. I might just end up making another official video once I master this skill, but I want to bring you guys on the journey of me trying to accomplish this hairstyle, which I think is nice because I love the short hair look or short lock look without having to cut my locks. And so if you are interested, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If not, keep watching. And don't forget to come back to my channel, Locks for you to love. Here we go. So what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 locks. We'll take these 2 here. And I don't really twist them too much, but I twist them so they don't get too tangled. And I twist until the new growth is gone. Once the new growth is gone, I take one end of the lock and I put it in that area, and I'll take another one and I'll put it in that area too. And then I twist them around each other. I don't know if you can even see that because this is really difficult. But when I seen this done, I was like, I want to do this so bad. So I keep twisting around until I get to the end, until I get to maybe the shortest one. And then when I do, I feed it through the loop on the bottom. And then I let it go, and then I have my lock. Now, you will have some of the locks sticking out like this. In the video, I seen where she was able to adjust it and like bring it down. I want to try that, but I don't know. I don't know how she did that. So I'm just like playing around with my head until I figure out how this lady did that. And then I have some locks that are like smaller, so I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna work. So I wanted to try like twisting it, take one end, and then like wrap, as I'm twisting it, wrap one around it. I don't know if that makes sense. So that can stay. And then I'll take the other end, and then I'll start wrapping or continue to twist my hair like a 2-strand twist and see if that holds better and see if it looks better hiding the ends of my hair. So I did this, and I'm getting to the end of one of them. So the one that's the shortest, that's the one I use to seal it and stick the other one through. Let's see. You still see like a little hair sticking out, but we still got a master, and that's only one instead of two. So let's continue. Hopefully I can do better. Again, I'm just figuring this out, so I don't know what to do. I feel like maybe I can, from the jump, from the beginning, I should be able to do this. Let's see. Because if I can just keep them in position, they should be able to wrap within themselves eventually as I go down. Hold on. I'm not feeling anything happening. No. Okay, so far I've done some of my back of my hair, so I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like so far. So I figured out something as I do what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to come back when I get most of my hair done and show you again. If I can find the two pieces. Okay, so let me get closer. These are the two pieces I'm going to use. I'm basically kind of doing like a retwist type deal with the 2-strand twist. And then when I get to the end of the new growth, I take the end of one lock and I put it to that part, and I take the other end and put it to this part. But you want to have enough where you can go around each other. So I'm going to go around and around and around and about stop right there. Now wherever there is extra hair, I'm going to take the part that's attached to it and pull it. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. So it can kind of like hide it. And then when I get it to where I want it to be, because you don't want to pull too much or you're going to pull it out. And then you're just going to continue with your twists. If you get to a part that's too much, keep wrapping the part that's more around that one piece. And then you feed it through the loop. Okay, so I decided how I want to do my hair. So far, this is what I have. So let me show you. This is what I have so far. And I'm loving it. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna wear majority of my hair to this side. I'm liking that. That's what I want. I was debating whether or not I wanted to do it. There's a mirror over here if you wonder why I'm looking. But I was debating whether or not I wanted to do it like a center part or just have it on one side. And as of now, I think I'm just gonna move everything to one side. So we are working on this side. And I'm going to show you what I am doing. I separate my hair. I like both sides. I even like this side. I don't even know what side to do. Anyways, so you're taking two parts. Since I'm getting closer to the front, I'm gonna take a little bit more time. So with the new growth, I'm just twisting this thing, and then I'm twisting. I don't even know what side I go to. I just twist it until it feels good. And then I start twisting them both together until I end the new growth. Then I take the end of my lock and I put it over here, and I take the other end of the other lock and I put it here, and then I wrap them together. So I start twisting them around each other like this. I stop around here because if there's any extra hair pointing out, I try to see if I can pull it. Okay, that was not the right one. So I gotta go back around. Wait, hold on. I was pulling the wrong one. Let me do it again. Here. In here. Wrap around. And then I take the side that is showing a lot of hair and I pull it down. And then I go to the other side and pull it down. And then I continue to wrap. And I see something out, so I try to figure out which one that is. And then I wrap some more. And then some of the hair, it came out again. Hold on. Some of the hair, it's like, it's easier to do than others. And for some reason, this is giving me the hardest time. Like, you want to get close to the tip of the hair so you can kind of just cover it up as you wrap. Like, this is bothering me, so I'm trying to figure out which one it was that I can pull. It's not that one, it's this one. There we go. Now I can continue to go around. And then I have this one that's still sticking out. I'm trying to figure out which one is it. Ah! This is the part I have not mastered yet. But in the midst of this, I want to show you how you figure things out as you go. Okay, this is a little bit better. Not as bad, and I am not gonna try to pull it because I don't know which one it is, and I don't want to go through that cycle again. So anyways, I am twisting it all the way to the end. There's 2 loops. You pick the one that's the smallest and you fit it through there. And then as you pull it through, let go. And then there you go. There's my look. And look at that. I don't know if I want this side now. Oh my goodness. Do I want this side? I actually like this dramatic, deep part here. I don't know. Let me come back to you. So I made it this far with my hair. I am loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So I'm this far and I'm like, what do I want to do? I've been debating what I want to do with my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the roots of the remainder of this hair, and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail with a rubber band, and then I'm gonna finish the ends of the hair. So stay tuned. As I do that, I will come back. Hello, my lovelies. Let me tell you something. I really love this hairstyle, and it's a lot easier than all the lock bob tutorials that I've seen. I think what I'm gonna do is try this hairstyle again and make a video for you guys a little bit more in depth of what to do and how to accomplish this look. But this is what I got. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. And if you like more videos like this, go check out my channel. Duh. Peace.